So this is your lighting loads, your, you know, things around the house, not the stove, not the dryer, but regular. Okay, and now here's your rated current. The most you can bring here is 41.7 amps, okay? I'll show you how voltage as in series and current as in parallel. So we have 6 panels out there. And each one of those panels are able to get about 10 or 11 amps, right? So if I put all those panels negative, positive, negative, positive, and I have one string, I will only get that 10 amps out of it. But now I want to get 20 amps, so I'm going to put 3 panels, negative, positive, negative, positive. Then I'm going to put another 3, negative, positive, negative, positive. Then I'm going to bring 2 different strings to this inverter to double that up and get 20 amps. Every time you add a different string, whatever the current, they have engineers on staff and they kind of build it in, which is great. But if you get someone to come out and engineer your project, you're still out of thousands of dollars. So don't be too careful, just take your time, look at it good. Now, get it in the right direction. Like we want it to run this way. Now, put it straight down under it. Put my drill straight. And just tighten it up softly. That's backwards. Push it to go forward. Push that button to me from that side. Okay. Now, don't worry about that. Get it tight. Get it a little bit up there first. And then put your hand in there.
That's good. As opposed to you just...
No, that's too hard.
Or
Okay,
he's
go
not
ahead.
pushing on it.
Push on it and let it go up a little. Push the butt. Push the butt
Push
of
so
that
it
drill.
don't strip.
A little bit harder. A little bit more. Just touch it. Okay. We're good. It's tight. All right.
Okay.
There you go. And just let it penetrate and then put your hand up there. Pull the trigger. Push and pull the trigger. There you go. Now stop and aim it where you want it. Turn the direction of that clip.
I think I stripped it.
No, you don't? You do? I don't know.
No, I didn't.
Just
Oh, that's just another one.
put it there just a little bit. You can back off of it if you want. You can put it on 2 if you're not sure when you're pulling that trigger on those drills. I'm going to try to keep it straight. Yep, just tighten it up. Back it off. Let me see. See how tight it is? Yeah.
Back it off a little bit?
Now, no, back it off no more. I twisted it, so
Okay.
tighten it back.
Okay.
Just a little bit more, but don't strip it. You can tell when you're going to strip something because it gets tight as it's going to be in there, and then you stripped it. That's probably good. That's good. One more time. Let me strip. Try to move that now. You see that? You see?
Yeah. Oh, I'm moving.
I know you can move it, but it's bonded when it's good and tight, and there you go. And just try to keep it straight, but don't strip it. Don't strip that screw. There you go. Leave it alone.
All right.
Alrighty, good job, good job.
Yeah,
Because this is actually cutting
flies.
metal. Okay.
Yeah.
This is self tappers. They're actually cutting little shards of metal. Okay. That's it.
You don't want that in the contacts. Okay.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Here you go. Can you hold that for me?
So it's about this
It's
one.
about this line here.
Okay.
And you put it there. In order to give it some strength, you put your other hand right here and push up on the butt as you pull the trigger.
Okay.
And when you pull that trigger, you're going to go through the metal and then just back off the off
Okay.
the trigger.
Okay.
So
it's this
that
one
line
here, and I'm going
get it
to.
through the metal. Pull the trigger. Push. Okay. There you go. That was simple.
You
All
did
right,
it.
now, because we're running that wire this direction, we need that hole to be turned this direction. So feel it right now.
And the whole.
Feel on that. Just try to move it. Okay, so it ain't all that tight, so that's great. So you can rotate it some with your hand. But now we want
Can
to.
you video? To put it on the Instagram. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thank you.
So let me back off. So
Oh, no,
you're going to need
here
this by
now.
yourself. Because all you're going to do now, because that was going through. Penetrating is one thing. We're on 2.
Loop it, okay?
Loop it. If you hold those for me, I'll say about looping a couple.
Yeah, because also I can
These are live wires, right?
They're live, but they don't have any live parts exposed, okay? I'm not letting you all touch live parts. You can touch live wire, not live parts. Your extension cord is a live wire.
Wires.
So
That's right. Even your extension cord is a live
anytime
wire.
you're bringing power across there, you just tie it together and then I like to tie mine together and then tie them around. Pull it tight, not really tight, but tight enough. And now we'll just loop it right around here.
I think you were talking about the animals at one time with these
Right.
wires.
Yeah, animals can get up.
That.
You get them that uptight like this, but no, we pipe it in on that. We just pipe it in, just put hard pipe all the way, just so the animals can't get out here and chew it. We'll come out of those little junction boxes. I'm just saying, put it like this, and then you gotta bring your loop down to you so you can see it though. Bring it around to the bottom so you can actually see the loop. Really nice and neat. Again, you know, when you're up in agriculture, you can't stop rodents and all that because they can figure their way up, and one day there's always going to be a vine that grows up to let anything go up it. And so in agriculture, you wind up with, you're going to wind up, so for me with agriculture also, because if you're doing irrigation, you know, you're gonna have a lot more water than when normal, but they're made to be outdoors. Yeah, as it goes down further, we got a ladder around the, we have a ladder around the backside. Oh yeah, you can put it together as long as it goes, then make it pull itself up.
Go through here. See what I mean? You go through the.
Oh yeah, through the little loop.
Through your loop. You can go through there.
You don't have to go all the way over.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we just go through here. See what I mean?
Yeah, as long as I can reach it, I'll go through right.
Oh, it's all about reach.
This is also key, guys. When we're looking at our wiring and we're looking at locations, I'm going to clamp this again down low because I don't want these to rub against metal. In the wind, if I'm hitting metal, eventually my covering will go. Will get damaged. So I'm going to clamp these over here. You can loop these back over that way, and I'll just catch these kind of this way.
Okay. Do that. I think I might
Ladder.
need I'm vertically challenged.
Wrong, so we need a ladder. Again, here y'all are. Farmers always put rigid on your underground, so you tear up your tools and before you cut your wire. Just getting along.
Oh yeah. Cool. Excellent. I will not be getting that. Kathy being on the ground. I do not want to be on a ladder on a slope.
Farmer.
Nope. Not today. I'll let the ladder people be right.
Like I said, you always be comfortable what you do anytime you do it because I'm telling you, it's you who's gonna fall. Somebody tell you, going up there, going to do it. It's okay. You gonna be my show today, not me. Pull that part to you. Open it up until it clicks. There you go. Now we're gonna drop this down until we get it like in a little level. Right there. I like these gorilla ladders because they can do these uneven slopes.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Now you're literally straight up and down.
Can you go up on either side? Or
Yeah,
just
you
one
can
side?
on this one. On most ladders you cannot.
Okay.
Because you see this is actually a double ladder, so they can hold two people.
Oh wow.
One ladder most ladders have a
This
foot.
side isn't fixed to the ground.
That's fine. I ain't gonna worry about it.
I was about to say, because I was about to step on
I'm not gonna worry about it. Because pliers, guys, we call them side cuts because they have one cutting side. And these are really cool. They're up to 600 volts. So if you're out doing regular electrical work, this is fine. But they have wire strippers. They have a crimp tool for our grounding. We crimp our grounds many times. And they have the cutting and the pliers. So They're kind of like an all-in-one tool for electricians. You just call them electrician pliers, you know. They have cutting, they have stripping, they have all these things kind of all thrown together. So if you want to get down there and cut that, cut those hanging ends. Thank you.
Okay, there you go. You get to do it.
A little too tight. A little go through so it's not just right on the end.
I'm too excited.
While I'm up
I
here,
can tell.
if y'all watch,
I like
this
you're
here is
excited.
close to that metal generally, and then the wind's usually over here.
Right.
So I'm gonna pull that sucker tight right here and clamp it again. So if you would look into my pack out, open that one. Now under your left hand in the box, guys, we have our AC breakers. So we have the power from that inverter coming into there to a breaker, and then it's coming back off of that breaker bar to our outlet. That way, again, we have a disconnect between the inverter and our AC power. We have a disconnect between everything, and it's just nice having a combiner box because it's all in one box. Otherwise, we would have had to buy several different types of breakers. And let me see, there's one more thing I had. I have a light out here.
No matter how life goes, one thing I know.
Hey, hey!
All right. We're in.
Fittest of the fittest shall survive. My people open.
Again.
Get ready to get into
We'll be
it.
skanking.
There we go. Yes. Thank you, Ruth Page-Nelson. There's the light.
Bringing the light, from light to light.
That's right.
That's right.
Sun powered.
Now you understand. See, people understand when they see a light. They may hear people hear noise, but
Yep.
turn these lights on. Oh yeah, we can run a while.